What's up? This is Keith Kelfis, and I'm in Detroit Sponge, the window cleaning tool store in Wixom, Michigan right now with Mike Warway. What's up, Mike?
Hey man, how you doing?
In this video, we're going to actually show you the inside of what does a window cleaning tool store look like, all the different products that you can get. Maybe you're just getting started in window cleaning, or you're a veteran who's been cleaning window for 20 years. There's so many different products available and so much new technology that's come out. So we're going to do a video overview and show you all the different products. What's up, Mike? You doing good?
Yeah, doing great. It'd be great to have you out here today, Keith. I'm going to walk around the warehouse and show everybody everything we got.
Okay, cool. So let's take a walk around and just do kind of a general overview, and this will be part of a video series where not only are we going to show you all the window cleaning tools and water-fed pulls and all the stuff that's come out, but underneath this video we're going to put links below where we're going to get more detailed and granular and show you individual products, so you can check that out as well, because I know you want to hear about that stuff. So Mike, let's take a tour around, starting with everything on this wall, from the water-fed pulls and all the squeegees and scrubbers and what's going on.
Sure. Well, we always cater to the professional window cleaner, so our goal is always to have the gear that you need to be out there servicing your clients and keeping them happy. That requires everything from the regular window cleaning simple tools of scrubbing, squeegeeing, ways that you can carry your tools on your person, buckets, and how you can kind of have your own rolling toolbox and your toolbox out there at the job site, all the different variety of the scrubber sleeves that you have, again with the holsters, solutions that'll help solve problems for you as well. And then you get over towards the water-fed systems and the water clarity systems, where now you're able to have all of the pure water equipment that you need out of the job, as well as we'll show you the carbon fiber pole stash in the back, that we have all the poles back there. But these are all the tools that you're really going to need, even down to the gloves and the buckets, stackable ladders, everything in stock for you to be able to be successful out there washing windows.
Cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get B-roll footage and show what you talked about.
Okay.
So I'm not going like this.
Okay, I see. Okay.